everybody, my name is Desi Bartlett and this is my son, Rocket. And I've noticed recently during quarantine that our whole household has been a little bit challenged when it comes to sleep. The sleep patterns have become disrupted. And so one of the formats that I love to teach adults is called restorative yoga. It helps to just kind of balance out our nervous system and chill us out. But I recently had a very sweet request for restorative yoga for kids. A very simple sequence that you can enjoy with your child before bedtime. When I'm working with children, my language is just a little bit different, and you'll notice that my voice gets a little sweeter, and you can do that with your kiddos as well. So let's begin with the hands in Namaste. Sit up nice and tall. You can close your eyes. And when we breathe deeply, what does our breath sound like, Rocket?
The wave.
The waves of the ocean. So as you inhale, imagine the wave moving in towards the beach. And then as you exhale, imagine it moving away. And again, inhale, you're going to fill your tummy, fill your chest with breath. Exhale slowly, feel the belly move in a little bit and the body soften. Let's do that one more time. Great big breath in, fill your tummy, fill your chest. Exhale. Nice work. Can you turn to me and say namaste? Namaste. All right, let's come onto the hands and knees. We're going to enjoy this first sequence together. You don't need the bolster yet, bud. So your hands are shoulder width and your knees are hips distance. There you go. We're going to move into cat and cow. So we inhale into cow pose. We look up to the sky. Look up. What's a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. And then we round the spine. What's the cat say?
Meow.
Meow. And look up again. What's the cow say?
Moo.
And round your spine. What's the cat say?
Meow. Meow.
One more time. Inhale. I also like to think of this as a unicorn. And then when you round your spine, what's the shape? Rainbow. And come back. Okay. I'm going to be using a bolster today, but if you don't have a bolster, it's totally fine. You can use a pillow. I think Rocket also has his lovey. Okay. So here, bud, you're going to put your forehead on here and reach your arms forward over the bolster. Bring your body over here so it's straight. No. Bend your knees. Yeah. Separate your knees, child's pose. So good. Just relax. Can you let your tushy come down to your feet? That's where we are, child's pose. Good. And then find that ocean-like breath again. So in child's pose, you want to see that your child's hips are down on their heels, and then the forehead rests on the bolster. And anytime we have a pillow under the head, there's a very gentle signal to the nervous system that the brain is supported, and it just feels good. Good. And parents, you can give your little one a little reassuring pat on the back or even stroke their hair. Good. One more big breath. Yeah. All right, sweetheart, come on up. Nice and easy. And we're going to come into a twist. Can Mommy show you how to do this first? Okay. So move over for just a sec. This is what you're going to do, buddy. You're going to put your knees together on one side and then just lay down. Can you do that? So knees face this way. And then just lay down on your bolster. Feel good? You want your lovey? Okay, I'll bring him to you. This is Biggie Blue. Named after the Notorious B.I.G., of course. All right, and just relax a little bit. And now parents, if you want this twist to be slightly deeper, if your kids are older perhaps and they want a deeper twist, they can always turn their face away from the knees. But Rocket, how old are you? 6. So this is a perfect variation for him. I want you to close your eyes, buddy. And just breathe a little deeper. And can you remember the last time that you were so happy it felt like your whole body was smiling? And where do you feel the happiness in your body? In your tummy. So just imagine a great big sunshine in your tummy. It's like your tummy is smiling. And so with these poses, like 30 seconds is great. If your child wants to stay there for a minute, wonderful. But it isn't about quantity, it's about quality. Yeah. And in yoga, we always want to find balance, so whatever we practice on one side, we practice on the other. Can you turn your body over, bud, so that you're facing me, and you're doing the same thing on the other side of your body. So lay this side down onto the bolster. Face me, bud. There you go. And now lay down. You want your lovey? Of course. That's it. Close your eyes. Chill out. He looks very happy. His face is very relaxed. So I want you to imagine that you could just relax your whole body. Relax your toes and your knees, your hips, your shoulders, your elbows. Really nice. Yeah, and again, a reassuring hand feels very, very sweet to adults and to children. I like to specifically place my hand at the back of the heart here. So in yoga, we talk about the heart center. This is the back of the heart center. In the esoteric lineage, this is what connects us to our ancestors. I know that's a little wooey, but it feels right. So whatever your belief system is, it just feels nice to have a hand on your back. A sense of reassurance. 2 more deep breaths, bud. Last one. So good. All right, sweetheart, you can go ahead and sit up. Sit all the way up. I'm gonna move Biggie for a second. Okay. And I'm gonna have you lay down on the floor with your bottom here. Put your tushy there. That works. Bend your knees. Okay. Now, can you lift your hips up in the air? Just your hips. Move your hand for me. Not full back bend right now. Yeah, right there. That's great. And just relax. Try to keep your feet on the floor. So his feet are hips width apart. He likes his arms out to the side. That's great. This is a variation of bridge pose. Okay, breathe, close your eyes. And now Rocket, I want you to imagine that you are crossing a bridge, and on the other side of the bridge are really, really sweet dreams. So maybe in your dreams tonight, you'll see the ocean or dolphins. So we're very blessed in Los Angeles. We've had an algae bloom, and in the Pacific Ocean right now we have bioluminescence at night. And when we go out to the beach at night, it looks like someone has lit up the ocean from the inside out. So maybe right now, Rocket, you see that beautiful ocean all lit up. Isn't it pretty? Yeah. Two more deep breaths. And you can see how relaxed he is. Now can't guarantee a nap, but it is a good way to enjoy a little wind down before bed. All right, sweetheart, you can go ahead and roll off to the side. And we're in our last pose here. So I'm gonna have you lay down on the bolster. Your tushy's here. You're gonna be on your back. Okay. Lovey's there. Can you scoot your booty that way so that it's on the floor? Yeah, that's great. And bring your feet together. And bend your knees. Butterfly pose. Yeah, good. So this bolster is just a little bit big for him. I'm going to use the blocks to support his arms. Now, if you don't have blocks, don't worry. Hooks work really well. And close your eyes, bud. And so your arms are like a butterfly's wings. Your knees are like a butterfly's wings. I love you. Yay. Okay, close your eyes. And what is your favorite kind of butterfly? Monarch. So I just want you to imagine that your wings are spreading like that beautiful monarch. It's like your whole body is that orange and black. Butterfly is a symbol of new life. And so in this chaotic time, it's sweet to allow children to reconnect to Mother Nature, because we're all part of nature. And we're here for just another 10 seconds. Again, reassuring hand, and I love you, a kiss. Buddy, go ahead and come on up. Do you want to hold Vicky? Yeah? Okay, sweetheart. So let's face each other and cross your legs. Bring your hands to your heart. We bow our heads. You can bring your forehead to mine. The light in me recognizes and bows to the light in you. Namaste. Namaste. I love you.